Friends, welcome to Thorough Education on the digital class platform. Myself HV Kevadia, and today we are learning chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. So friends, generally we take x and y as variables and a, b and c as constant or coefficient. You are very well aware of this. General form of the linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Friends, remember this general form, and you will have to use this in the examination. Here a and b are not both 0 together. A and b. If a is 0, then one variable will be removed. If b is 0, then another variable. So if both are 0, there is no variable at all. So they should not be 0. Every solution of the equation is a point on the line representing it on the graph, that you know very well. Here I will represent equations algebraically only. Geometrically or graphically is not possible due to lack of some features. Graphically or geometrically I will not represent. So you will have to learn algebraically, and graphically you will have to represent on the graph by yourself as you learnt in 9th. If there is any mistake in any sums, then forgive me. I have apologized in the beginning. I have taken care in each topic, even though there may be some mistakes. So please forgive, and if we apologize, then it will be better for our honor and for our respect, for our discipline. Okay friends, now we'll take exercise number 3.1, which is very useful and which will show you something. Let first question number 3. Exercise 3.1, question number 1. I'm reading here the question, that is statement of the question. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be then. Isn't this interesting? Yes, it's really interesting. 7 years ago 7 times, 3 years later 3 times. Very nice. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So friends, here I have taken, let Aftab's present age be x years and his daughter's present age be y years. 7 years ago Aftab was x minus 7 and his daughter was y minus 7. Suppose today someone is 15 years old, and if 7 years ago we will tell, then he or she was 15 minus 7 years, that is 8 years, right? So here x years, so x minus 7 years, and y, that is y minus 7 years. He was 7 times as old as his daughter was, right? So if we want to form an equation, then what shall we do? Take x minus 7 on the left side of the equation mark and y minus 7 on the right side. But Aftab was 7 times as old as his daughter was. So we should multiply 7 by his daughter's age. 7 to his daughter's age. So daughter's age is less than Aftab's age. It's naturally. So we have 7 multiplied by y minus 7. X minus 7, 7y minus 49, 7 7 are 49. Now y will go there, that is x minus 7y, and 49 is here, then it is plus 49 minus 7. What will happen? It is 42. X minus 7y plus 42 equals to 0. This is in standard form. This is equation number 1. Now we will take equation number 2. 3 years from now. From now means x plus 3 and y plus 3. He will be x plus 3 years and his daughter will be y plus 3 years. Right? He will be 3 times as old as his daughter will be. So, x plus 3 equals to 3 into y plus 3. Okay. Then x plus 3 is equals to 3y plus 9. 3y plus 9. Then x minus 3y. Here 3y will go to the left side of the equation. 3y will become minus and 9 will become minus. Minus 9 plus 3. We will have minus 6. So x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. This is equation number 2. Here there are 2 equations and you can draw graphs as we drew in class 9. Okay. Now we'll take question number 2. Question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Let the price of one bat be x and one ball be y. We will have to take price of one of each. A coach buys 3 bats. That means 3 bats price is 3x and 6 balls. That means 6 balls price is 6y. So 3x plus 6y equals to 3900. So if we divide this equation by 3, we will get x plus 2y, right? 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6 and 13 3 are 39. X plus 2y equals to 1300. This is equation number 1. She buys 1 bat and 3 more balls and pays rupees 1300. Again, this is 1 ball x, 1 bat x, 3 more balls 3y equals to 1300. So these are our 2 equations. You can draw graph on your graph paper. Now question number 3. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. We'll take algebraically here. Okay. Let the cost of 1 kg of apples be x and that of 1 kg of grapes be y. Okay. 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes is rupees 160. So 2 kg of apples, that is 2x, 1 kg of grapes, that is y, equals to 160. This is 1. After a month, what happened? The cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes is 300. So 4x plus 2y equals to 300. We have divided this equation by 2. Then we get 2x, 2 2 are 4 and y equals to 150. 2x plus y equals to 150. So you can draw graphs by these 2 equations. Framing them into y form or x form, you will have answers. Friends, there are 4 methods of solution of pair of linear equations and here are the 4 methods. One is graphical method, second is substitution method, third is elimination method and fourth is cross multiplication method. We will see all these 4 methods in this chapter one by one and we will have videos of all these methods. In graphical method, when the lines drawn on graph meet at one point, one line is this, second line is this, then see the meeting point, that is intersecting point. What are the coordinates of these points are the solution of your question. The meeting point or common point coordinates is the solution. Okay friends, so we have taken exercise 3.1 today. We'll take exercise 3.2 in the next video. So till then, do your work, that means solve the questions in different chapters of mathematics. Thank you for being with us. Thank you very much.